Hey guys, welcome to Luca's Bite. We're here with Luca. This is our new series for cooking. So if you're in the dorms, if you live on your own, maybe this can help you. The point of this series is to show it to you guys how we can make healthy cooking fast, quick, and easy. Okay, Chef Luca, let's get started.
Alright, so today we're gonna make I love to eat rice and chicken, so today we're gonna make some rice and then we're gonna have a honey garlic chicken with it. It's gonna be breaded and we're gonna do it in the air fryer, so it's gonna be less oily, with some vegetables, and that's what we're gonna do today. So now we have all the ingredients together. I would recommend using a scale / a nutritional scale if you have one. If you have a regular scale, you can weigh the things, make a note of it, and then go on a website called Calorie Kings, and you could just look up the ingredient and it's going to tell you how much calorie it has. So if you want to track your intake, you can do that. We'll also try to keep track of this for today for the whole meal, so when you cook it, you don't have to do it yourself, you just know what it is. Alright, so my oil preference is avocado oil. I don't know, that doesn't have much taste and it's kind of a healthy oil. Yeah. Not too bad. What we're gonna need obviously is chicken. I'll do 2 portions, quite a lot of chicken because we love protein. So I'll have 2 chicken breasts. We're gonna coat that with a little bit of flour. We're gonna need an egg for the breading too. We're gonna need panko. Love panko, best breading out there. Then for vegetables, we're gonna do onions and peppers. Love them. We're gonna add some garlic in it. I have a lot of garlic here. Also for the sauce, because it's honey garlic sauce, so you'll need honey too. Just regular seasoning, salt and pepper. And then we're gonna have our rice. I have 2 cups of rice in here. We're gonna cook it. It's probably too much rice for you, but I'll like to have a little leftover to make some fried rice.
After it, yeah. Okay, let's get started.
Okay guys, so for the rice, I have a conventional rice cooker. I'm gonna use that because it's so much easier. I would suggest to get one. You wanna wash your rice, always wash your rice. You're gonna wash it until the water runs clear, and it's gonna take about 3 or 4 washes. I would let the rice soak about 20 to 30 minutes, and then you can cook it for about 10 minutes. The rice cooker is gonna do the job. If you have one, I would suggest it. I'll go wash it and then we're just gonna talk to you.
So guys, don't forget to subscribe, follow us, our TikTok, our Instagram, and don't forget to sign up to our gym. You know why? Because we have a pool, we have weight room, we have a gymnasium, outdoor pickleball courts, outdoor tennis courts, soccer field, boxing studio, stretching room, group activity classes, and golf room. Yes, we have all of these included in our facility. So go check our website right now, glendonac.ca. Sign up and we cannot wait to see you there. Thank you.
Now we got our chicken, and before I cook the chicken, I put the rice in the rice cooker. It's gonna soak, like I said, for at least 15 minutes. So you're good. You have a good rice at the end. It's gonna be nice and fluffy. And then yeah, so we're gonna prep the chicken and then we're gonna turn on the rice. What I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna flatten the chicken. If you want less protein, you can take 1 chicken breast and cut it in 2, and then you just have 2 pieces of chicken. But I would like to eat a whole chicken breast, so I will put it in a Ziploc bag, and then I'm gonna beat it with a roll because I don't have a hammer. So we're gonna just beat it a little so it gets flattened. Alright guys, so we're back. We flattened the chicken. So now we're gonna do the breading. We're gonna bread them, put them in the air fryer, and while they're in the air fryer, we're gonna prep the vegetables, get that going, and then so everything kind of turns out ready at the same time, and then we're good to go.
what happened, Luca? What was this process? What was that? What was this? Explain it a little bit.
Alright, so in this container, what we mixed is 1 egg and then about a tablespoon of flour and then salt, pepper, just to get it easier. Instead of doing eggs and flours and then the breadcrumbs, you just mix the flour and the eggs. It's going to be faster and easier to do. So we just have a little mixture here. We're going to put the chicken in there first and then into the panko, so the breadings, whatever breadings you have. And then we're going to put them on the other plate and then straight into the air fryer. Perfect. So let's do that.
Okay, so for this next part, we're gonna put the chickens in the air fryer for 375 Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Alright? So
You're going to flip the chicken halfway through and then it's going to be nice and crispy on both sides. And yeah, always clean along the way, guys.
yeah,
It's going to be easier
to
to cook later. You can place them in the air fryer. If you have a big enough air fryer, you can put both. If you don't, you just do one at a time. Preferably they don't touch and then it's perfect. While you put the chicken in the air fryer, you can also turn on your rice so they would be done about the same time.
PSA, don't forget to put oil with your chicken. The avocado oil that we said, put it on the chicken when you're putting in the air fryer.
Okay, so we have our vegetables of choice here. I'm a fan of onion, I like peppers, I think it goes well with the honey garlic flavoring. You can add other stuff, whatever your preference is. I don't have green onions right now, but you can add green onions as a topping, or in the white part you can put it in the dish itself. So we're just gonna cut these up, and then we're gonna put them in a pan and cook them.
Perfect. Let's go.
Alright, now everything is cut. Take a look at your air fryer and see if you have to flip the chicken about halfway through, right? So if you have 20 minutes, 18 to 20 minutes, and then just halfway through you flip it, it's gonna be nice and cooked. Also turn on the rice so it's getting cooked. So what you're gonna need for this is soy sauce. I'll put some garlic in it. Don't put too much because the sauce is already honey garlic. Have some sesame seeds, some ginger. If you want it a little bit sweeter, you can add either a little bit of brown sugar, or if you want to go for a healthy sugar, you can add honey. And we're gonna add some pepper. I wouldn't recommend adding salt because the soy sauce is already salty. And yeah, that's about it. So let's get going. So I added about 2 tablespoons, and you can add some more later if you need to. I have this pre-minced garlic. I use about half a teaspoon. And then ginger. Sorry.
Pre-made ginger.
And then garlic cloves. I just have frozen ones because I prep them like that. But if you have it pre-minced, also you can use it. I have a garlic press. It's way easier for myself. Way finer and good. I'll use 2 small-ish cloves. The chicken is nearly done, as you can see over there. Maybe, yeah. It says like 1 minute. We added 2 minutes to it because the chicken breast was really thick. So we're just gonna cook our vegetables. I added some sesame seeds into the bowl, so it just makes it toasty. That is the air fryer. And then we are gonna prep the vegetables, and we're gonna prep the sauce for the chicken. We're just gonna coat the chicken in the sauce, and that's all we're gonna do. So we're putting our finished chicken into the pan, and then you just coat it with the sauce you did. So the sauce cooked for like a little bit of time, just slow on a low heat, and then you just throw it in here. You get it nice and coated. I didn't do enough sauce, but that's okay. You can just add 1 tablespoon of soy sauce to your mixture if you're doing it. And then we're getting it nice and coated. And then we're gonna plate the whole thing.
Look at
Bowls are done.
this. Look at
Chicken,
this.
chicken and rice. Let's go, let's try it. Tell me how you like it.
For sure. Wow. It's amazing. It's amazing. I love it.
It truly is. It's sweet, honey garlic, very nice, garlicky sweet. You can have more vegetables if you like.
Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our Instagram and our TikTok. And tune in for the next episode. See y'all later.
Bye.
Bye-bye.